Hello everyone, welcome to day 7 on AI Tools Navratri Special. In this episode, we will be exploring an AI tool called Notion. Notion is a smart doc. So it is a smart Word, smart Google Doc. So I uh, call it as a smart doc. So what and all Word and Google Docs can do for you, or any other word editing software can do, this Notion can do 100 times better jobs. So this can be useful to all the businessmen or businesswomen, or say teachers, industrialists, or students, or anybody can use it. So there are thousands of features available. In this episode, the intention is to give you a small introduction of some of the features of Notion. So this is the interface you get. As usual, you have to log in like you have done it for other AI tools in the past. So this is the interface, and here you will find an option to create a new page. So what is a page here is, this is not like a Word page or Google Doc page. This page has no limits. So you can create a page. In this page, you can create tables, toggle list, bulleted points, or anything. You can insert a new page or nested page, or anything you can do. You name it, you can do with this. So let's start with a simple example. So this is a page that I'm creating. So let's say I'll give a title as activities, and you can also include some of the emojis, and you can actually add a cover page to this. Okay, so you can change the cover. You can change the cover. Okay, yeah. So the cover is changed. Now this is the name of the page. Now once you click down, this is your workspace. So there are two basic options that everybody should remember. One is, if you press space button, you can actually get so many options to be included. Okay, you can ask questions. This is actually AI feature. You can make a flow chart, you can write anything, brainstorm ideas, you can just give a prompt and do things. At the same time, if you press the /, you will get to know there are so many other options which are available. Like I'll just show you that now. Let's see. Yeah, so you get your tables, you can add to-do list, you can add toggles, you can add headings, and all other things. So I repeat, there are two options. One is, if you press the space, it is AI. If you press what you call the /, it is the multiple options which are available. Now today we will add one simple option called to-do list. You can actually keep doing this now. So if you have to do something in academics today, something in research today, or let's say something of assignments today, you can do all this, and you can check and uncheck accordingly, right? You can delete also if you really don't want. That option is also available. So now here in this case, we will add a toggle list. Let us see. I think it's a collapsible object, toggle list. So toggle list, right? So same thing I'll write here. So what and all I have to do under academics today, and under research today, and under assignments today, right? Okay. Now this is a toggle list. So under academics, if you press this button, it will create options to write things that you want to do under academics. So maybe take class. So you may also have to prepare notes, or if you want to do prepare assignment, questions, etc. You can do all that. So similarly, under research also, if you want to add something, you can add it, right? So these are the options which are available. See, it's so nice to see things, because you don't have to go for any other additional softwares. In this single page, you can create so many things. You can also create a table. Basically, you can also say, I want to create a table, right? You can create a table. So by default, you have these contents here. So if you want to add more columns, you can add by doing this. You have a new column is added, you can write headings, and you can use this table. So like this, there are so many such features. You can add, beauty is you can add images, videos, and databases, right? So these are the points. Audio, you can insert a code, you can attach a file. So many things that you can do. So we'll just see, I was mentioning about the database option. We will create a database now. So database full page, right? A new database will be created under the same page. So the working of this database, I'll just explain with a couple of examples. Let's say weekly planner. So this is a attribute name. So I'll say activity. So let's say you can add a property. There are so many properties. You can add a text box on text property, or you can add a number property there. It will accept only numbers. You can also add a date property, or you can also add a status property, right? By this we'll say activity is, this is a weekly planner, right? So I wanted to do prepare lesson plan. Maybe by default the status is not started. Next one is prepare research abstract. Like this, you can keep adding. You can also add the dates here. You can set the name as deadline and you can add the date. So this will take the date property is set like this. And if you think you have finished that activity, you can click on this and you can say done and things. And you can also edit the property by, if you are not happy with not started and done, you can also add new property and set things right. Okay, so hope you understood this. And the another next important point is you can share this document any of your collaborators, and you can set the rights, access rights. You can view more, write more, any other modes you want. You can do that so that you can parallelly work on a document. So now for teacher, another application, very important application can be, if you want to prepare a course file. Say one example I'm taking, you can do much more than that. If you really want to prepare a course file, okay, you can add emojis. Okay, notes. Okay, some emoji, and you can do this. And you can actually because a course file will have so many other pages, right? So we can actually create a nested page. Here you can say assignments, then you can say one more thing like lesson plan. So you can also add question banks and XYZ. So you can observe here the pages are nested now, right? So let's come to assignment. Here you can actually, again, you can make it more attractive by saying so okay, since it is study thing, okay, I'll add an icon to make it more attractive. Now here you can either type the questions, or what else you can do is you can actually take the help of AI. By pressing the space button, you can actually give the command to AI saying that create, I have prepared it already, so I'll just copy paste that to save time. So I'll write this now. Prepare an assignment for programming assignment for undergrad students on stacks and queues, and keep the deadline also, I have told. So this is what it does. As usual, you will have to take care by going through the content that is generated by this Notion. So see, the rubrics also it has given, instruction also it has given, and all the problems are here, evaluation criteria also it has given, right? The only thing is you can edit all of them based on your requirement. If you really want the marks to be distributed in something in a different way, I think it is still creating. Okay, yeah, it is created now. So you can just click on this and you can edit all these things, say code generation and let's say results. You can change this and change the marks or anything you do. Only thing is, after doing all this, you can just share this with your students, and they will get two things. They will also get to know about the Notion, and they will also be able to appreciate such an AI tool has been used by the professors, right? So now if I really want to create another assignment, I don't have to do anything. I'll just create another assignment as above, and the deadline I'll change to this. Create another assignment for me. This is another assignment, data structure assignment, linked list. Deadline is set to October 14th, as I said. Timing also it has taken. What is the objective, instructions, and all the questions, because a programmable assignment was the first option. So I said create another similar assignment. So this assignment is created. Right. So if you are happy with this, you can accept it. Saying the response is very good. So you can also, even after accepting, if you want to do any changes, you can do comment, or you want to bold it, some important points, you can do all this. Right, this is not the the benefits of this. You have so many what you call the templates which are available. You can explore that little later. Maybe I think I'll show you one let's say research template, research page planner template. This template is again modifiable. You can change the content. So this is a beautiful research paper planner. So maybe one assignment is you can create this. This is a pre-existing template. You can actually create this, and then I think you will get a practical hands-on on using Notion. All right. So that's all about today's seventh episode on Notion. Hope you enjoyed this session. We'll come up with another interesting tool in the next section. Thank you so much. Wish you once again happy Navratri.